In this lesson, we're going to ask how somebody is, and they're going to answer it in a few different ways. So here we've got Conas atá. How are you? And the boy can answer it in 3 ways. If he's feeling really good, he can say Tom gama gurav mahagut. I'm good, thank you. Or Tom gama buikla sadia. I'm good, thanks be to God. In the middle one, if he's just in the middle, he's feeling okay, he can say Tom kyart galore. I'm okay. And then if he's not feeling good, he can say Tom teen. I'm sick. Or Tom on teen. I'm very sick. Or Neelam erfonov. I'm not great. Okay, and then at the very end, the boy can ask the question back onto the girl. Agus tú féin. And how about you? Okay, so find someone at home to practice that with and see if you can give it a go.